Chief Minister Nongtongpam Biren felicitates Pride of the Nation awardee and 10 times Mr. India title holder Khetrimayum Bhaktakumar. Human rights defenders raised doubt on CBI's closure reports on extrajudicial killing cases involving Central Armed Forces. And the President of Manipur Kabui Union, Dr. K. Hira Kabui, says Gangai Festival belongs only and only to the Kabui community. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rosham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongtongpam Biren felicitated Pride of the Nation awardee Khetrimayum Bhaktakumar at Chief Minister's Secretariat in Babupara today. He presented a memento and a shawl to him. Speaking to media, Chief Minister N. Biren said the government is all set to felicitate junior cyclist from Manipur, Loitonjam Ronaldo, who scripted history on January 7 by topping the Union Cyclist International UCI rankings in all 4 sprinting events, and Maishna Mairaba, who has bagged a 3rd position in junior ranking of Badminton World Federation BWF. He expressed happiness that many proficient individuals from the state have brought laurels for the state by competing at various national and international events. It may be mentioned that General G.D. Bakshi presented the Pride of the Nation Award to 2 times Mr. Universe finalist, 10 times Mr. India title holder K.S.H. Bhaktakumar at Vijay Divas event held in New Delhi in the presence of Union Minister of State Home Affairs G. Kishan Reddy. He was conferred upon the award in recognition of his contribution in guiding youths to the fitness and wellness path. Bhaktakumar is the first person to win such an award from the entire Northeast states.
Akhoi Manipur se full of talent. Mayam amana pullaga laiba se noma gi akhoi Manipur gi marakta irang lairagasu magi honabam thokpo honabadana ngasi Manipur gi dana Bharat ki oina mai pakpa porkhipa mayam ama se huji Mr. Bhaktakumar Pride of the Nation haidana award ma Mr. Bhaktakumar da pire ngasi state ki miyam gi musilaga government gi chief minister moina mabu felicitate obuni sugumba Bharat ki damakta bikrama Manipur da pogo su Bharat ki amna sacrifice oramba tawraga laiba mayam se khoi khuina su ikai khunabam thoi ana khoi state gi su mabu madugi sabsaba honor do khoi pijari sumaina Pride of the Nation na award se lorukpagi damakta su khoi na mabu thaga pe phongluksari amane nongai be phongluksari.
Chief Minister Nongtongpam Biren has also announced that police belts and boots of Liberty brand will be distributed to over 30,000 security personnel at 1st Manipur Rifles Parade Ground on January 12. He lamented that duplicate uniforms were once given to the security personnel. And Biren said tomorrow's event will be a testimony of sincerity in execution.
Supply to Magina Quena Segai than a cocaine to give do Manipur Gimiam the Amadi Madugi official sing the lesson Namoina Tabuk to Prajagi Tabuk to Busikamita with the Gahabadu Aigi Namjabit Hakto Honaga Nagi Tender Fazana Torokanda branded Amata Pishi Madam the Ayuki Nundangi Tumboy Sada boy Aing Nungsa Aing Nungtil Kangana Aing Kangana Un Marakta Ishing Marakta Jungle Marakta Leiba Sebata Riba Aikogi police personnel uniform personnel singbo duplicate uniform people duplicate Kongo people duplicate dress Petty people guys am ikaining I will hide I quite low lawyer haying se Puntarada Manipur Giladiba security personnel listing Kuntram Shida Haying Yengani Alno company Gimayam Pasamar openly Tamagi Yengani.
Speaking to media, Chief Minister N. Biren also reminded that the state government has already purchased an acre area of land at Dwarka in New Delhi for the construction of 6-story bhavan to facilitate people coming to Delhi for medical treatment. He said a 20-bedded room with a nursing facility in the ground floor of the bhavan will be reserved for especially ailing people.
Na koi Manipur ki hana ki leiba bhavan jisu khara room yam daba adagi khara quality su khara leitaba channadaba mayam ama yaure aduna handak se khoi Dwarika da lam ama lowi Dwarika da loriba lam se khoi 1 acre gini 1 acre gi lam si lor kanda khoi masida khoi madugi DDA gi kari gi plan ayam loire akhoi paisa khara madigi sabada sanga da buji 100 crore muk sangbe sabase 100 to 150 maramdi Dwarika dudi floor manga taruk phabu sabe abni na aduna madug dibda torkanda koina makhada bed kun gumba koi planning da yahon kare मोके आर्किटेक्चर सिंग द बेड कुन गुमसी कमाई तौदगे द कोई ऑपरेशन के तौरुरगा खुदक इम्फाल दसु पुबा यादबा स्टेट दसु पुबा यादबा आदसु लेइतबा यादबा अदुगुम्बगी टाइमिंग दु द कोई बेड कुन गुम्बा मा इवन अखोगी नर्सिंग स्टाफ स्टेट गवर्नमेंट दगे आदा डिपुट तौरगा नर्स मंगा तरुक तो वर्षु थमेरगा अदुगा अदुम्बा यामना अनाये ऑपरेशन के तौरुगा थोलगा खोलगा लेननबगी प्रोविजन कोई थमे
Extrajudicial Execution Victim Families Association (IFAM) and Human Rights Alert (HRA) have expressed a suspicion that CBI may be attempting to cover up the misdeeds of the Central Armed Forces personnel, as it has submitted closure reports of most of the extrajudicial killing cases involving the Central Armed Forces. It may be mentioned that the Supreme Court instructed the CBI to form a special investigation team, SIT, to probe into 39 cases of extrajudicial killings of Manipur. Speaking to media at HRA office in Kwaketil, Thiamlekai today, IFAM President Renu Takelambam expressed discontentment at the failure to file charge sheets against the accused Central Armed Forces despite sufficient proofs and evidences. While HRA Director Bablu Loitongbam said the Supreme Court instructed the CBI to complete investigations of the 39 cases before December 31st, 2017. However, the CBI has filed charge sheets of only 13 cases involving state forces and has submitted closure reports of only 7 cases involving Central Armed Forces so far. He said 74 Manipur police personnel are under trial as per the charge sheets. Bablu Loitongbam said IFAM and HRA have submitted a protest petition at CJM Imphal East demanding re-investigation of 6 cases out of the total 7 cases for which closure reports have been submitted. Subsequently, CJM Imphal East issued an order to the CBI yesterday to re-investigate the death case of Asim Romajit and Yumnam Robita at Pangai on April 9, 2002. He said IFAM and HRA appreciate CJM Imphal East for its decision.
अखोई मणिपुर पुलिस कमांडो सिंग लेरिबा अखोई स्टेट फोर्स सिंग ददी याम लाइन चार्ज से तौरगा ट्रायन चथदना लेरी आर्म फोर्सेस ऑफ यूनियन गिदी हजिक फावबदा यावबा ngамदबा असिगी मरमना अखोई दसु यामना सिंगनिंगाई अचौबा अखोई द निंगबा कायबा अमख ओहेले
CBI गे चार्ज सिट द हाइरिसे ममिटना नोंगै कापु होवे हाइबा नुपी जे थाजदे हाइरि करिगिनो द CRP ना कैदोबगी अदुगुम विटनेस अमा हिंगहल थममदोइनो कोना कोर्ट सुमाइना टेस्टिफाई तौरपा यानी हाइसि खंगना हाइबा वाहिसि यावरमने अदुई वाहिदुमक ngrangi CGM na pallaga CRPF aise lebak si praja mayam sibu kannanab leibani ado moina hairi sidi CRPF se sanga ga evidence leigado mi sing se hatlo hairi bra haibagi pot se ngrangi judgment se is the hangi si question moigi mathok di evidence su phajana mayek sengna mayam mangda thambaduni aduga madugi YN bichar di court na chathagadouni adudagi henjallaga moina evidence se chummi lali and mot pisalaga charge sheet frame to wimhutta closure report thagalak paibaje akhoi da yam chingnai.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC has appreciated the Supreme Court's ruling, which has said that access to internet is one's fundamental right. MPCC asked the BJP-led state government why it has imposed a CRPC Section 144 in Imphal West District for more than 2 months. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan in Imphal today, MPCC Vice President T. Mangibabu said the Supreme Court's ruling came in the wake of imposition of internet ban in Jammu and Kashmir by the BJP-led central government in an attempt to calm down people's protests following abrogation of Article 370. He calls the BJP-led state government anti-people for imposing CRPC Section 144 in Imphal West District for more than 2 months to suppress people's movement against the Citizenship Amendment Act and the Naga Framework Agreement issue. Stating that protests carried out by people of Manipur are non-violent and democratic in nature, T. Mangibabu said the Congress party strongly condemns the government for being inconsiderate and for trying to violate people's freedom of speech.
भारत की अमसुंग मणिपुर की लेरिबा शासन की सक्तम असे येंगुरगदी अखोय यामन किनिंगाई ओरबा शासन अमद हौजिक चंगसले हाइना लोबताई मसिबु अखोय कनान कनब ngamgani सुप्रीम कोर्ट नतना अखोय हौजिक मसिबु कननबगी लंबी से अखोय यु उब फंगते CAA बु प्रजाना याब पोट ओरगदी कैदोबगी केंद्र द सल्लेरगा मी खोमगा मी सिंदो लाओ न पैसा पीरगा भाबोक तिलहलगा मदुदा CAA से अफबनीने हाइबगी करी दरकार लेगी CAA से मशीन सोल कदो पोचदी हयेंग सोकदो बुनती हंगसी सोकदो बुनती मसीदी अखोगी चारोन सुरोन सोहोगदो पोट अमने हरि तुंगदा अखोगी चारोन सुरोन मशीना सोहोबो मतमदा मदुगी दायित्व दु कनानो ओइ
President of Manipur Kabui Union, Dr. K. Hira Kabui, has reiterated that Gangai Festival is one of the biggest festivals of the Kabui community and it does not belong to any other community or organization. He demanded clarification from those concerned who have conveyed Gangai greetings on local medias, mentioning Gangai Festival as the festival of the Zaliangrong. Speaking to media at Kaishamthom Kabui Village Community Hall today, Dr. K. Hira Kabui questioned the holding of 3 different state-level Gangai celebrations this year. He said, Zaliangrong is not a community but an organization, and no organization can hold celebrations of a festival belonging to a community. Dr. K. Hira Kabui alleged that Zaliangrong only claimed Gangai festival out of the many festivals of the Kabui community as theirs to do away with the festival itself. He appeals to extend solidarity to the indigenous Kabui inhabitants of the state.
Adugi damakta ke purup ate su kauri koi chauna chombung khunjau sira state level pangtoki Ramji khunda state level ni toki amana jerono union office tawi na chepong da thengne state level ngaktane asing badedi state level ke order ri badi Manipur Kabui union de silu haina government na pikhi bani atagi mafam da speaker mayam sina Kabui se mahan bagi mong da uraka mehoron dagi laraba Kabui gi Manipur gi history da thangoi nana lagli ba adubu uhan da Tepong da greeting oina wishes pirak pa matam da government na paidi ba achaw sangsina wish pirak pa masi aram ba mayam yaure aduna Jerenglong Gangai haibasi lale Jerenglong haibdi organization ni amoko gumani UCM gumani amsu gumani masi gumani group ki Gangai mokhin pangthok.
Teaching, non-teaching staffs along with parents and guardians of the students of Standard Robert High Secondary School in Kanchipur carried out a protest demonstration today, urging the 2 proscribed outfits to lift their ban on the school. Taking part in the protest stage in front of the school gate, one parent asserted that thousands of students who study at the school will face major inconveniences in their study if they switch school. Mentioning that a transfer process also takes time, he urged the 2 outfits to lift the ban, considering the plights facing the students and their parents. One teacher of the school also appeals to lift the ban imposed on the school.
Satra sinchida sunga sagi makhoi ge hobadagi tamjarakli ba satra sinchigi atopa da change toba matamda magi class higher class yauri 5 6 7 tamak pangang singsida teaching gi matang da su khena ba makhoi da oja singi sana jada ba pot amasu leibani na khoina angang singsida yamna akhoi gi awaba mayuk na gadore ba
education gi lam da ka thok oja sing si punsibu miyamna nungsibiu miyam gi thaujal pinabiu aduga loina school asi lejeri ba samlaba khoi gi Ozagi sinum da leibiri bo za sing sibusu meaning sigulona na makoibu lamjing lap takbiu haina biyang pham da phongdok janabgi dama ngasi bi phamasi sinjabani.
URF Chairman Ngangom Soviet Elias Chinkinganba has refuted all allegations against him of terrifying people in the name of proscribed Kanglei Community Center People's War Group Marxist Center. It may be mentioned that Kanglei Community Center People's War Group Marxist Center, in a press release on January 8, charged him of abusing the outfit's name. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Ngangom Soviet Elias Chinkinganba said he is leading a normal life after signing a memorandum of understanding with the governments of India and Manipur in 2013. He said he has been residing in a designated camp allocated by the government since then. Chinkinganba claimed that none of his party members nor him indulged in any illegal activities after signing the MOU with the government. He also clarified that he has not caused any harm or threatened any teachers, students, event service providers of Zenit Academy and other Catholic schools in the state or any budding politicians as alleged upon him by KCP People's War Group Marxist Center. He appeals to people to approach the relevant authorities if they found anyone misusing his name in any illegal activities.
I saw Manipur state government and India government Hogi was a hit to 2013 February Tang Trom de da Santono the Myanmar I Huzik Tangulitana Leva Pange Sigumba or the Padaba Samam Nava Pogandasi Torkumbatamda Myanmar थाजबीगनु पीपल वार ग्रुप की लम्याम खुमन दी आई सागा करिगुम हिरम तदा मरी लेनते रोबदा पीडब्ल्यूजी की लम्यान खुमन की पीआरओ चिंखेंगान बहाइरिबा मिसक अच्छी लेबाक मियामना खंगना कनानो हाइबसी लम्याम खुमन मसाना फोंटोक पीदुना असिगुम्बा समनबा असि मियामदा कोहनबियु.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on anti-drugs drive carried out by Imphal East Police at Kairang Umang today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Manipur Police, under the supervision of Imphal East District SP, carried out anti-drugs drive at Kairang Umang in Imphal East today. District Additional SP Operation T.H. Krishna Tombi, along with District Commando OC T.H. Pulachandra and Commando OC in charge Rajiv, led the drive and picked up 28 people, including drug abusers and those who couldn't provide proper identification documents, and handed them over to Hangang Police. The police team also carried out search drive in some suspected households of Kairang Umang. They recovered 5 mobile phones wrapped in plastics, but no drugs were seized during the drive. One suspected IED exploded at the gate of social worker Ngangbam Roberts' residence in Singjamay Chingamathak, Namayrakpam Lekai under Imphal Police Station in Imphal West District yesterday. According to Impact News sources, the incident occurred at around 10:30 last night. The blast damaged windshields of a car parked outside the house gate. Imphal Police Station OC rushed immediately to the spot for investigation. Imphal Police Station has registered a case and investigations are underway. Details of the blast are still unknown. Various Mayra-Paibi associations of Singjamay carried out a protest demonstration against yesterday's bomb blast by unknown miscreants at the residence of social worker Ngangbam Robert in Singjamay Chingamathak, Namayrakpam Lekai. Taking part in the protest meet staged at Singjamay Chingamathak today, Secretary of Singjamay Mayengbam Lekai Mayra-Paibi Loop Sarungbam Bijenti strongly condemns the incident, which has created fear, psychosis and panic among the local residents. She appeals to those concerned not to repeat such irresponsible act again.
Ngangbam Robert Kaki Natana, Kudemak Tangnariba Karulika, Sinna Pakita, Aki to Dumba Poibase, Amona to Viganu, Iruin and Ngangbam Robert, Nasi Miang with the Matakatoga, social worker on Elizabeth Misakamani, Miang with the Mating Pangna, the Mata, Pona River Misakamada, Karigumba, Nuai Tabanataga, any Mangonda Kwa, Aran Miang or two, Kudong Chadabo, Kuding Machine Jet, Layragata to Fong Nawaris Hanatoga, Hanatona Vitamatimao, Kuding Magna, Tong Launa Hangduna lady, Atubumatam the Waris Hanatoga, Warus in Porkview.
JSA formed against the mysterious death of Okram Ningol Leshang Them Ongbi Bidyarani has demanded the authorities concerned to file charge sheet against late Bidyarani's accused husband Leshang Them Sanayaima and not to let him out on bail. It may be recalled that Bidyarani was found hanging under mysterious circumstances at Thaubal in November 2019. Speaking to media at Bidyarani's maternal home in Thaubal, Ningombam today, JSC convener I. Subhashini appeals to give justice to late Bidyarani. She termed it unfortunate that accused Sanayama's family has requested to grant him bail amid ongoing police investigation into the case.
Accused Oiriba Sanayama, Asigi Mayamba Santa, Asina, Masa Kainabagi, Saiteng Pangiba, Mahaki Mama Asida, Santa Asina, Yamna Toina Ponda, Tret Taura Aga, Angang Pio Aigi Isan, Haina Hanzel Hanzana, Haidiba Asima, Yamna Singnaningai Oi, Aduna Lak Libatang, Taraga Mari Paubagi Manunda, Santra Karigumba, the Pab, Bida Vasin, Taragadi, Jechina Makal Makagi, Adum Kongjang Silagani.
Asian Highways Imphal More Road expansion project affected villagers of Lamkang Kunau have temporarily withdrawn their protest. The decision followed after reaching an understanding with the implementing agents NHIDCL, GR Infra Private Limited, SDO Chandel and Technopol SP. It may be mentioned that the villagers have been protesting the project over compensation issue. Chairman of Lamkang Kunau Village Expansion Construction Affected Compensation Committee Sankhil Momo Darnong said that the road widening process will be allowed to resume in the open areas of the village as the relevant officials have assured to fulfill 80% of the village's demands. However, he warned of even more intense agitation if the officials fail to keep their promise.
Open area. Tabak suba yagni na akoi khunga police ka yauna wari sana raga yana bama pure if moina sigi assurance piraba matungda khungi area si tabak suba yakiroi aduga open area tabak si suba yagni haibagi ma yanare karigumba akoi assurance asi fulfill tawdaba taradi mugi promise asi atuba matamda tawtaba taragadi akoi tabak amuk thingjingni khungi area si akoi gi reassessment amadi non affected amadi common structure masi government gi approval laktri baudi madu khungi area tabak suba yakiroi.
Society of taxi passenger service like Tata Magic, Auto Rickshaw and Tata Arish commuting from Sekmaijin to Kodok Ichil and Hiang Kong to Imphal has clarified that they never burnt the effigy of representative of Mayang Imphal, the local MLA cum Deputy Speaker Kongkam Robindro, during their ongoing protests in demand for repair of the road. Society members allege that some miscreants planned the act to gain political mileage. They also demanded the authority concerned to repair the road from Sekmaijin to Kordog Ichil within a week, as assured by the local MLA, or else warned of intense agitations. Speaking to media at Pubak Chau today, spokesperson of the society, MD Akil Ahmad, said that representatives of Jeep Taxi passenger service blocked the road on January 9 and 10. He added that the society met with the local MLA on January 10 and the protest was discontinued on the same day following his assurance.
Deputy Speaker Masamak Haiderami, Akoi Hapta Amagi Hek Matung de Karigumba Sembi Tabatarga, Ekoi, Sapsana Lambi Tingani Habigo from the Tamami. That 11 Ayuki Habarda, Shangmajin to Kodra Isil Pova Hajapatare, Ogi Marakta Leva, Lambi, Maruni Semdri Harga, the Komla Kongdegina, Kodra Isil Pogi, Maraki, Lambi Asigi, Marakta, Semdri Basigi, Matanga, Akogi, Deputy Speaker Gi, Mitambu Mai Tabagi, News of Tenazai, Hariba, Masigi, Opomasi, Akoi, Gi Bantori by Koi Association. Kangbu Secretary Gumba information amata laina kiba laite amadi khangal lakip su laite.
Mission Director of Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture MIDH Manipur K. Devadatta has flagged off a 15-member team to take part in the Floriculturist Protected Cultivation Skill Development course at Central Institute of Horticulture in Medzifema, Nagaland. The second batch team, comprising of representatives of farmer producer organizations and farmer producer company under MIDH, were flagged off from Horticulture and Soil Conservation Office complex in Sanjanthong today. Speaking to media, K. Devadatta said the team is supported by Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department Manipur and Indian Grameen Services IGS Manipur. He said 20 members went for the same skill development course in the first phase earlier. The mission director assured to take up various measures to enhance farmer skills to boost their income.
Companies si natraga APO sing si marom dom lepchaba ngamnaba chenthok lambi leiba aduma business kaya paikatpa ngamnaba sigi wakhallonda Government of India na silakpa aduma ekoi skill development gi training makal asi ngasi ani suba base gi oina lamthaga dobani mathung tarakpada su mathang gi base ta su mathang sumain thadana ekoi gi floriculture da koi leisu thaba khak natana mushroom gi food processing industries gi tawya ba farmer producer company amana entrepreneurship sida changchal laga business oina tawya ba chenong tan ba ya ba phibam sing se sustain dongnaba gi damakta haiba ngasi ani suba base si thabani.
Arena Animation, India's eminent institution in animation and multimedia education, opened its center in Imphal today. Arena Animation Imphal and Manipur University Students Union jointly organized the inaugural event at the auditorium of Manipur Institute of Management Studies, MIMS, Manipur University. Arena Animation Imphal, located at New Chekon in Imphal East, will provide various courses like Animation Prime, VFX Prime, Arena Certified Professional in Animation and VFX, Arena Certified Professional in VFX and Compositing and Editing and Graphics, Web Design and Development, and many others. Speaking at the event, Regional Head of Arena Animation East Region, Shailesh Tetharwe, said that animation aspirants of the state have been pursuing animation courses in Mumbai, Delhi and other states, spending lots of money, but now aspirants can pursue the same in Imphal without much expenses.
In 1996, Arena Animation bond. Since then, it has been 23 years. Arena Animation has trained more than 4.5 lakh students. We are having 200 plus centers across India in various cities. So we are launching this center here. We are in media and entertainment industry. We train people in various fields like animation, gaming, visual effects, graphics. And if you talk of the job openings nowadays in media entertainment industry, it is huge because of the number of TV channels, 24 hours running news channels, local news channels, movie.
A new modeling institute called BK Model and Artist Grooming Institute was opened at Uripok, Torangbam Lekai today. Speaking on the occasion, manager of the institute, Suraj Kongbal Tabam, said various modeling courses will be taught in the institute to train and groom fashion aspirants of the state.
अखोई ngasi miyam da अखोई BK Model and Artist Grooming Institute लिंक चपसे basically अखोई especially अखोई Manipur की youth miyam से focus तो जरगा अखोई youth upliftment हाइजा बता रहे हाई भी अखोई modeling की grooming की artist और ना platform में तो कन्बंगम दबसे अखोई साइट के अखोई initiation में चाम लोग जरगा अखोई society से message में पिज़्ज़ा रगा platform में अखोई मयाम की दमकता सेवा तो बंगम जगदरा है ना अदुगी team दा अखोई ना अदुई मोटो दो थम जरगा अखोई ना मयाम की दमकता अखोई ठोक्सरक बनी.
Republican Party of India, Thawale Ambedkar Manipur State Committee observed the 54th death anniversary of former Prime Minister of India, Lal Bahadur Shastri today. Attendees paid floral tributes to the portrait of Lal Bahadur Shastri at the event held at party office in Sagolban Tera, Thingbai Jamlekai. The Cultural Forum Manipur held its 61st celebration and Ningtham Sering Saidanaba at Hindi Parishad Hall in Thoram at All Assembly Road today. Convener of Manipuri Language Advisory Board, Sahitya Academy, New Delhi, and Kiran Kumar, and President of the Cultural Forum Manipur, Professor H. Bihari, graced the event. More than 60 poets recited their poems at the event.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯩꯔꯦꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯆꯍꯤꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗ ꯗꯤꯁꯦꯝꯕꯔ 38 ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯝ ꯑꯍꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ
ꯏꯪꯂꯕ ꯋꯥꯛꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯎꯂꯦꯟ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅ ꯍꯩꯅꯧ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄ ꯌꯦꯅꯤꯡꯊꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯎ
ꯐꯅꯦꯛꯅ ꯐꯤꯕꯥꯟ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯂꯩꯈꯣꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯣꯡꯗꯅ
ꯑꯃꯟꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯗꯨ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯅꯥꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯂꯧꯕꯨꯛ ꯂꯝꯍꯥꯡ ꯃꯍꯧꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯎꯕ ꯎꯔꯨꯝ ꯐꯪꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯂꯝ
5-day Kabog Chaibi ceremony of Ima Ayang Leima kicked off in Moirang today. People of Moirang have been holding the religious festival since ancient times. It is kind of festival where every household of Moirang would be visited by Ibudhau and Ibendhau, represented by men and women to bless and distribute them with puffed rice or kabog. On the first day of the ritual, priests and priestesses are called upon the temple of Ibudhau Thangjing to perform religious rites for the smooth celebration of the remaining days. Married women will impersonate as Ayang Leima Ahal and Ayang Leima Atonbi, wives of great deity of Manipur Ibudhau Thangjing, and set off to distribute kabog or puffed rice to villagers of Moirang on the second and third day of the ceremony. And on the fourth day, they will visit Moirang Bazaar. The ceremony will conclude on the fifth day. Kachai Fruits Farming and Processing Cooperative Society Limited is all set to organize 16th Kachai Lemon Festival organized at Kachai in Ukhrul district from January 14 to 15. The society appeals to partake in the festival being held to promote GI-tagged Kachai lemon and to encourage Kachai lemon farmers. Speaking to media at the conference hall of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Office in Sandenthong today, society chairman Candid Horam said the festival funded by Eastern Border Area Development Authority through Northeastern Council NEC is being organized with assistance of MIDH of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department, Government of Manipur. Speaking to media, MIDH Mission Director K. Devadatta said Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department has been extending necessary help to Kachai lemon farmers and in organizing the Lemon Festival. He said that 800 hectares of land were reserved to cultivate Kachai lemon and efforts are underway to give organic certification to more than 200 farmers. Chief Minister Nongthumam Biren and ministers concerned will grace the event. Speaking to media, Ibada Project Director N. Ningthem Jao disclosed that out of 10 lakh rupees estimated for the upcoming festival, NEC has sanctioned 80% of the fund before the festival and the same amount has been handed over to the organizing committee.
Sigumba festival asida ekoina honajariba si government gi apamba aningba honorable minister horticulture gi strong will aduga magi masida mating pangdongni haiba wakalon amadi lamdam sigi chief minister oibiriba honorable chief minister chingba makoi lising makhada makoi miyeng makhadani ekoina chathajariba se hajaraba ekoi village moi ki profile leiriba ekoi environment leiriba ekoi farming system mayam si yengbibada natna kasai gi magun leiba champra sing si puthok mayam da phanghanbagi adum khudong sabadu mayam punna lomina si
kachai lemon se GI tag through phangramne aduga one of the best lemon in India. It has been certified by Lemon Research Center from Nagpur. Mayambu welcome doi festival ashida join tawbiningai.
Final auditions of Rhythms and Aromas of Northeast India was held at Ukhrul Town Hall yesterday. 6 music bands from Manipur and Assam performed in the audition inaugurated by NEZCC Director Jitul Sonowal. Selected bands will perform in the upcoming 4th Guwahati International Music Festival 2020 alongside Asia's famed music legends. Renowned tribal folk balladeer and folk musicologist Guru Ruben Mashangvo also performed at the audition. NEZCC Director Jitul Sonowal also sang his famous number Moromi Langori at the event. Certificates were distributed to the participants of 2-month-long hand embroidery training and 3-month-long swing machine operation training today. A Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur organized the training programs under National Handicapped Finance and Development Corporation and Himkon Shimla. People for Animals, Manipur and Wildlife Wing Forest Department jointly released birds rescued from various areas at Yangangpokpi Lokcha Wildlife Sanctuary today. The birds are 1 stump-tailed macaw monkey, 1 oriental honey buzzard, 1 short-eared owl and 1 leaf turtle. Now the sports news. JBFC was awarded a walkover in the first pre-quarter final knockout match of the ongoing first Morangtem Dodish Chandra Memorial Invitation Football Tournament 2020 as their opponent team FCK fails to turn up for the match today. Altogether, 16 teams are participating in the football tournament organized by All Ziribam Sports Association at Ziribam Higher Secondary Playground since January 3. BHLC will play against Sunrise Club in the second match on January 13. Linthoi Ngambi Kangje Lup Oripok will play against Chinkai Hunba Polo Club Kongpal in the final match of the 15th Women's State Polo Tournament. In today's 5th league match of the tournament, Chinkai Hunba Polo Club Kongpal trashed Manipur Police Sporting Club for 16-0 to enter the finals. For the winning team, TH Tana scored 8 goals while Nilu RK and I Sangita scored 4 goals each. In another league match of the day, Linthoi Ngambi Kangje Lup Oripok also trashed Thangmaiban Polo Club by 9-0 to enter the finals. For the winners, as Sangita, KH Habi and KH Deventi scored 3 goals each. Final match will be played on January 13. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongtongpam Biren felicitates Pride of the Nation awardee and 10 times Mr. India title holder Khetrimayum Bhakta Kumar. Human rights defenders raised doubt on CBI's closure reports on extrajudicial killing cases involving Central Armed Forces. And the President of Manipur Kabui Union, Dr. K. Hira Kabui, says Gangai Festival belongs only and only to the Kabui community.